This tent is massive, guys. This is the real home away from home, guys. Beautiful evening lake. That was actually wonderful camping. Hi guys, we've just arrived to our campsite at the very massive lake. Look at our luggage. That's how we are gonna camping. Our guys, our folks, they're going to set up our very massive tent. But while the guys are busy with setting up the tents, let's go and see the lake. This is not a sea. This is a lake, very massive. You see? And we are in the woods over there. Our campsite is over there at the lake bank, not far from it. So and now we are preparing all our stuff. This is our rig, a truck, very powerful one, a trailer, and all other stuff. This is our inflatable tent called Koala 7, and now we are inflating it up with a special electric pump. It can be also pumped up manually with a manual pump which comes with the tent as well, but now we are using an electric pump. Let's take a look at our tent. First of all, as you can see, there are 4 windows all around the perimeter. 4 windows on sides. And the 5th window is a rear window on the rear wall. Alright. There are 2 more windows on the side wall. And very large entrance, very large door. Every window is equipped with 3 screens. The first screen is a bug mesh. The second screen may be the clear, transparent plastic screen, waterproof. And the third screen is the outer cover, which can be rolled up and toggled, as we did it now. This is the bug mesh, can be zipped and unzipped. Here is our very massive, very large back room. Now we are cleaning it with a vacuum cleaner, portable vacuum cleaner. This tent is massive, guys. This tent is massive. This is a 2-room tent. This is the first room. There is a stove jack, so this tent can be used with a wood-burning stove. And here is the rear room, back room. There are 2 large skylights. Okay, you can see them here. Now there is a bag mesh here on this window, here as well. Can be zipped easily. There is an intrinsic wall, and now we are removing it. We are going to make a very large single room tent. We brought some carpets here to stay cozy in the tent. So now we have removed an inner wall, and now we have a very massive single room tent. There are 2 ports. For example, if it's required to use out a conditioner or heater, you can put the tubes from the heater or conditioner through these ports into the tent to heat it up or to keep the appropriate condition, appropriate temperature. There are multiple organizers on the wall, all right. And there is one more feature. Look at that. There is a special valve, an emergency valve. If the pressure exceeds a specific value of 7 psi, this valve starts releasing the excess of air. So this valve prevents the tent from overinflation in the hot weather, releasing the excess of air, the excess of pressure. We have already put carpets on the floor. The floor itself is made of very durable PVC. It's 100% waterproof. Alright. The inflatable tubes, the pylons, are also made of very durable PVC. Very reliable construction. Like that in the airboards. Alright. The canvas material is also very sturdy, you can see. It resists rain, it's air breathable, but it resists rain. Alright, but in case of the very strong or long-lasting rain, we recommend use an additional rain fly, which also comes with the tent as well. Alright, there is a rope, a cord all along the roof, so it's very convenient to hang on some lanterns or some apparel to dry. The tent is very comfortable. This is the real home away from home, guys. But that was not all. That was not all, guys. Now we attached one more tent, the so-called shelter harp. And we have a very massive 2-tent system. Here is the main tent and a huge vestibule. A shelter harp is attached. Come in. Look at this. Look at this. We are in the vestibule, in the shelter harp. And this is the entrance to the main tent. All right. That's it. So you can see the outer cover can be rolled up and toggled easily. Very simple. And here we have two screens. The inner screen is a bug mesh, and now we have another outer screen, which is a transparent, very clear plastic screen. Absolutely waterproof. It has own zipper, can be attached and detached. That's it. And here we can see a skylight, transparent skylight, also waterproof. And the same story here on the other side. Also transparent, very durable plastic screen. One window, another window, also with a plastic screen. And a skylight on the roof. And this is our hub shelter. Also with skylights. Alright. And here we already have some living room, guys. Some living room. This is our stove. Okay. Firewood. A sofa. Alright. And this is our table. Looks good. And we have one more tent, guys. One more tent. Look at this. There is a swinging door. Let's go inside. Come in. There are windows. One window. Okay. Multi-layer window. Another window. Also multi-layer. The same. This tent has two entrances, two doors. We will use this entrance only. This is a hot tent because it has double layer, double wall insulated structure, and it's very suitable to stay in even in the very cold winter. There is a stove jack. So it's possible to place a stove here. Alright. So very cool tent, but we will use this tent not just a tent for living, for staying inside while doing camping. In our camping we will use this tent as a sauna. You will see. Beautiful evening lake. Very massive lake, 100 kilometers away from here to the nearest land. It's like a sea. Beautiful. This is our sauna. Will be ready soon, very soon. This is a stove, a shower, everything will be alright, guys. Our tent. Welcome. Morning guys, now is the third and the last day of our wonderful camping. This is our tent, incredible tent. We have a tent stove. We've already cooked some breakfast and ate it. Alright. There are woods, trees. Okay. And let me show you again the Ladoga Lake. Very enormous, massive lake. You see, absolutely amazing view. This lake appeared after the latest, as I remember, maybe I'm wrong, after the latest ice age. And after when the ice had melted, this enormous lake appeared. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the air is very, very fresh here. And here is the tent which we used as a sauna yesterday and the day before yesterday. Alright. Here is a stove, wood burning stove, okay. Water tank with very hot water. That was yesterday, very hot. Some stones, alright. A shower. And we made temperature here very, very high. So it was a sauna. Our boat. Now guys are sitting and resting after the breakfast, and I gonna join them. Alright guys, our camping, our wonderful adventure is over. We are packing up our gear, our stuff, our car rig is ready. Okay, that was actually wonderful camping, really wonderful. Let's take the last look at the incredible lake. Okay. So wonderful, so wonderful. Say goodbye, see you somewhere in the future, and see you guys in some other adventure.